what are we making today?
We're making fluffy pancakes.
And what will we need for this?
1.5 cup of purpose flour.
So we don't have it, so what we're going to use is...
self-rising flour.
So we need one of this and one of this. That's half, and the other one is half. Okay, what else do we need?
3 teaspoons of baking powder.
So a teaspoon, I've got the teaspoon over here, and we're going to be using 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, what else do we need?
How do you say?
At 1/8.
1/8 of tablespoons of salt.
No, teaspoon of salt, not tablespoon. Okay, and we will need anything else?
We need 3 tablespoons of caster sugar.
Okay, so that's our caster sugar. Anything else we need?
We need 1.5 vanilla extract.
Oh, no. We need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, don't we?
Yeah.
So that's our vanilla extract, and we need 1 teaspoon of it. And then how much milk do we need?
1.5 cup milk.
No, cup of.
Cup of milk.
So we've got 1 cup and we've got half a cup.
But it has to be room temperature.
Yeah, so we've added it in here. I've also added the teaspoon of vanilla essence already, so the white mix down one side. And what else did we need?
We need to mix it.
Oh, before we do that, what else do we need?
Egg.
Like this, yeah?
Like that.
And then, but what, do we need to put the whole egg in there? What part of the egg do we need to put?
We don't put the yolk, we put the, what's that called?
Egg white.
Egg white. I added 3 tablespoons of caster sugar and now I'm mixing it.
To what?
3 tablespoons of caster sugar.
What did you add it to?
The egg white. I'm mixing it so it's all fluffy. We've been whisking it for 5 minutes and we need to whisk it a bit more to make it fluffy. If you have an electric whisker, it will be easier.
And how it will be much quicker than this, isn't
And
it?
much quicker.
So it's nearly there. Do you want to lift up your thing to show how? Almost there. We just need to do it more, okay?
Yeah.
All right, keep going. Well done.
You can also mix it like this, but this is easier.
As you can see, we've whisked and whisked and whisked, and now it's all nice and white and fluffy, and we are ready, okay, to do the next thing.
We're ready to sieve the self-raising flour.
Put it all in first and then do it.
Okay.
So the batter's ready, so what we're going to do is we're pouring in here because it's going to be easier to then,
Pour it into the pan on the stove.
Yeah. Using a tissue and just wiping off any excess oil. Okay, so as you can see, poured it in. So just keep increasing the heat, and then just gonna wait for it to sit a bit.
So it doesn't go flippity floppity.
So what are you doing now?
I'm cutting the strawberries so we can have them on the decoration. But remember, they're optional, so you don't need to cut them.
But why is it important to have fruit?
Because it makes it healthy.
How many fruits and vegetables do we need to have a day?
7.
Really?
I mean 5 a day. But
Okay.
also you have to be careful with the knife because it's very dangerous.
So Minna, what else are we going to be using?
Some golden syrup
Okay.
and also the Nutella.
Are you going to be using all that?
No.
What are you going to put on your pancake?
We're gonna, so some people can decorate theirs with like golden syrup or strawberries. It's optional. And the Nutella, if anyone wants to use it, we're gonna put them in the bowl and melt them in the microwave.
For long? How long?
30 seconds?
Less than that, I think 10 seconds.
Yeah, 10.
All right, should we do that now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Off you go.
Okay,
2, 1. Wow. Oh my goodness, your one is just perfect. Like this is like the one you would buy in shops. Yeah, supermarkets. Wow, okay. Perfect. I think you did better than me. So what are you going to do? Just a scoop?
Yeah, a scoop of Nutella.
Yeah, put it in the bowl. I think that's just more than enough.
Yeah.
Okay. And just, we don't need to put it in the microwave for a very long time, do we?
Yeah, just like 10 seconds.
Okay, not even 10 seconds, maybe. Yeah, let's try 10 seconds. Okay, off you go. Put it in the microwave. Chocolate melted. What are we going to do now?
I'm planning to put the chocolate inside of here. So,
You're going to have layers?
no, because we only have like 2 pancakes, so I'm gonna, that's pretty.
Oh, quick. What are you doing?
There you go.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put a bit here and
Spread it.
spread it around.
Okay.
And this on top.
And you're going to decorate it. What have you done?
I put some grapes and strawberries, and I do want this.
Do you? Okay then, go for it.